Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome to the 9 Malls As Seen on TV and Gadget Review channel. Today we have a fun one. This is the Grill Tech battery operated marshmallow toaster. So just in time for summer, this would be an interesting product if it actually worked. Instead of, like how many times have you been on a campfire and you have a stick and maybe you have 1 or 2 marshmallows? This thing will get you all 3 marshmallows on one stick and it will rotate automatically. So I don't know if you need it, but this may be a product you'd be interested in if it actually works. So it's the amazing marshmallow stick that toasts 3 marshmallows at once, battery operated marshmallow toaster. And look at this. So it opens up. It's a see-through box, this nice handle, 3-prong. It's a little short. I mean, if you're putting this in a fire, that's kind of first impressions. If you're using this on a fire, depending on how big the fire is, usually you want a little bit more distance than just that. I mean, look at my hand. I mean, that's not much distance from the actual fire. So look at that. Battery's already in. Look at it spin. The question is, will this actually toast marshmallows evenly over flame? Let's test this out on the stove. I'm not actually gonna make a bonfire, but I'm gonna do this on the stove. Let's see if this actually works. All right. One, 2. There's some nice metal prongs. These are really sharp. So that's nice. All right, let's show you. Look at that. Okay, there's my fire. This is gonna represent my fire. Open flame. Look at that. All right, so here we go. I'm gonna turn it on. I don't want them to burn. I can see a little color. They're getting toasty. I gotta... All right, I think that's good, actually. You can hear the battery's a little dying, a little slowing down a bit. All right, I think that's good. Let's check them. All right, so yeah, my initial reaction to this product, I was thinking this... All right, the alarm's going off. Okay. Yeah, let me turn on the fan here. Yeah, my initial reaction to this product was I thought it was completely worthless. But I can see this actually being useful because you can see all 3 marshmallows are perfectly cooked, golden brown. Look at this. I mean, just how you'd like them. They come off really easy. And look at that. Perfectly cooked. You know, there isn't much cleanup. Let's see, can you pull this off? Ah, it's hot. But yeah, I mean, perfectly cooked marshmallows. Let me give you a little close-up of this. Look at that. Perfectly cooked. So yeah, I wanted to kind of hate this product, but I think it actually works. I mean, it's a little bit short. The stick is a little bit short. If you're using this on a fire. But I think, if you had some nice coals, this could actually be useful. I mean, you don't need it, obviously, but it'd be kind of fun to throw in your camping box and use it. Alright, so let's test out one of these marshmallows here, the big taste test. I mean, they look great, but how do they taste? So here we go, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, perfectly cooked, a little bit crunch on the outside, but super gooey on the inside. Perfectly cooked marshmallow. yeah, just something to add, just something to consider. This does come off, so you can pull it off, clean this piece, or put it in the dishwasher, whatever you want to do, hand wash it, put it in the dishwasher, goes back on, and it's ready to go. All right, so do I recommend the GrillTech battery-operated marshmallow toaster? The answer is yes, actually. I was gonna say, you know, when I first saw this, that I probably wouldn't recommend this, but I think it works well enough that it would be useful. Obviously, not everyone's gonna need this or want this, but I think it could be a fun product to add to your camping box. So thanks for watching my videos, everyone. If you like them, please continue following. If you want to support my content, go to patreon.com/9malls or just search Patreon for the number 9, MALLS, and thanks for watching.